Okay, so in this video I will show you how you can set up your Linux distribution or your Linux operating system for development. So one way is you can just open your software store, whatever the software store you have. This is GNOME desktop environment. So you can search, like if you want to install Android Studio, you can search and install directly from here, but I don't recommend this. You will face problems if you download from here, from FlatHub. I mean, you're gonna face problem. So I'm gonna show you a better way to download and install Android Studio, or if you want to use PyCharm for Python, or if you want to use IntelliJ. So what you need to do is open a browser. I have Brave browser here, and search for JetBrain Toolbox. Open this link, open this first link, JetBrains Toolbox app. Then you need to download. I hope it's automatically selected like this .tar.gz. If it's not, then select it, this one for x86, and if you have ARM CPU, then this one, but most likely it will be this one, which is already selected. But if it's not selected in your case for whatever reason, then you need to select this. In my case, it's already detected that I'm using Linux, so it's already selected. Hit download. Then it will ask you where you want to download. So I'm gonna download it in my downloads folder. It will be .tar.gz. Okay, so it will be downloaded. Let's click here. Let's go to folder in which it's downloaded. Here it is. To extract that, right click and just extract it. If you want to extract it in folder, then extract to, but just right click and choose extract. Okay, so this is the folder, it's been extracted. Go to bin. So this is the file, this is our file. When you will hit right click and will choose run. I'm not gonna do it again because I have already. So what you need to do, right click, run, and wait for a few seconds. After few seconds a window will open automatically. You don't need to do anything, just hit right click, right click, then choose run, wait for a few seconds, and a window will open like this, and your toolbox will start to show in your app menu. And this is like this, it's here, but it will start to show like this in your app menu. If you are not using GNOME desktop environment, then in KDE choose app menu, wherever that is, and it will start to show. Then open it, or it will automatically be opened like this. So now it's done. You can now, from here you can download any of these, and you don't need to do anything, just hit install. If you want any of the lines, you can see that I have already downloaded these in my system. Android Studio, PyCharm, I have this. To update, you don't need to do anything, just open this app. It will show updates when there are updates. It will show them here. You can just update them. You can update the toolbox itself. So once this process is done, like you have download JetBrain, and once this process is done, you can delete this. It does not matter what it will do. It will install it in your system, and then from the next time you can access it from your app menu like this. So from next time it will show like this, and you can download any of this, update them, uninstall them if you want to uninstall them, or you can downgrade them. So this is the best tool to manage all these, like Android Studio, PyCharm, CLine, or if you want any other tool. Most of the tools are here, so it's a much better.